In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop YouTube notification. So if you are constantly receiving notifications from YouTube and you like to stop them, then all you need to do is to go and open your settings. And then from settings, look for the option called apps. And my apps option is here. And from here, look for the option called manage apps. Then this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down until you get to YouTube. And my YouTube app is here. Now tap on it to open. Now from here, look for the option called notifications, which is this. As you can see, notifications are turned on, and this is the reason why you are receiving so many notifications from YouTube. Now you may want to go and turn specific notifications off, or you may want to go ahead and turn all the notifications at once. Now to do so, go ahead and toggle this show notification button off. And as you can see, all the other notifications have been turned off. From here, you will never again receive any notification from YouTube. So that's how you stop notifications from YouTube permanently. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. And if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.